The $1 million one, where did you buy that one?
It was here.
Lunas Assad says he's a scratch-off addict.
Nothing unusual, nothing secret.
I mean, I don't have nothing to hide.
Assad has won the lottery 27 times. And despite this DC Lottery news release claiming he was just a pizza delivery man, he's not. Assad actually owns the Sunrise newsstand, the very same newsstand where he purchased all those winning tickets.
10,000, 5,000.
Assad is not the only case we uncovered. We analyzed 64,000 DC Lottery wins of $600 or more from scratch-off to lotto. 3 of the 5 most frequent winners owned or worked at lottery retailers too. Odds a statistician put at 1 in 10 billion.
That's statistically ridiculous. It just doesn't happen.
Professor John Kent is a gaming expert.
I was immediately suspicious.
On your "this is criminally suspicious" radar, where does this ping?
There are red flags all over the DC lottery.
I mean, they were suspicious about it.
Assad says after his $1 million win, lottery investigators accused him of missing tickets in his store and missing money exceeding $50,000. The DC Lottery won't comment, and Assad says the allegations are false.
Playing a lot. I have the right to play. I was playing a lot.
Have you ever looked at it in the way we did?
This simple spreadsheet source, WUSA 9 used it to find those repeat winners. Watch the attorney for the DC Lottery interrupt the interview.
Here's what I would say.
Well,
we have numerous ways of looking at the data, but I don't want to get too much into the data because I don't want to give away our investigatory technique.
Does this seem suspicious to you?
I don't have an opinion on it.
The thing that got our attention is these people sell lottery tickets, and they're the big winners again and again.
Okay.
In other states, headlines show high win rates help to uncover ticket theft or retailers illegally signing their name to help people avoid paying taxes or launder money.
We look for patterns.
Suspicious patterns.
Right.
WUSA 9 also reviewed lottery emergency suspensions, including a retailer who fraudulently obtained as many as 80,000 tickets a day and cashed in big winnings. The only case prosecuted over 10 years.
What did you do immediately after we contacted you?
We turned the information over to our investigators. We don't have an investigation in all the names you have given us, but there will be an investigation into each and every one.
Thanks again.
Thank you.